Are you tired of your outdated bathroom but don't want to spend thousands of dollars to remodel? So what if I told you that with a few affordable updates, a little creativity, and a weekend worth of work, you could have a space that looks totally transformed? Today, I'm sharing my top 5 budget-friendly bathroom makeovers, and trust me, these small changes will make a huge impact. So if you're ready to have a high-end look without the high-end price, then let's dive right in. So tip number 1 is probably going to be the easiest and most affordable, which is going to be painting the walls. Painting the walls can make all the difference when it comes to transforming a space, especially a small bathroom. If you're looking to keep it clean and bright, then I would stick to a neutral color. But if you want to add a little bit of drama, then try a deep blue or a green for more boldness. Now, if you're like me and you can never settle on a color, then stick with a color that is more classic that will go with any style. Quick pro tip, whenever you're painting a bathroom, you want to use a paint that is designed for high moisture areas. So I'm using a satin because it is durable and easy to clean. So see how just a bit of paint made the biggest difference, and we're just getting started. So make sure to stay to the end for my biggest tip and a special announcement. All right, so next up are cabinets, and this is still kind of in the painting category. You do not have to change out your whole vanity. You can simply sand your vanity down, add a primer, and then add a coat of paint. Now, if you really want to zhuzh it up a bit, you can also try a wood finish like I did on my bathroom cabinet. I'll have the video linked here so you can see how that turned out. And then you just change out the knobs to give it a completely updated look. There you have a brand new cabinet or vanity that looks completely different and saved you thousands of dollars just by, again, using paint. If you're liking the tip so far and you're finding this video helpful, then be sure to leave a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So next, we're going to be tackling those light fixtures. Light makes a massive difference in any space, especially a small bathroom. So if your fixture is older and just not giving off the type of light that you would like it to give, then consider swapping it out. Look how bad this light fixture is. Horrible. I found this modern light fixture at my local Lowe's, and because of the glass shades, it was much more brighter and just gave off a more modern look. Now, I know changing out a light fixture can seem kind of scary, but usually it's as easy as turning off the power, unplugging the old one, and then just connecting a few new wires. But if you're uncomfortable doing that, then I do suggest hiring out maybe like a TaskRabbit or finding a friend that's comfortable doing it. All right, so now we're down to the home stretch. Remember, my biggest budget tip is coming up and a special announcement, so make sure to keep watching. So y'all probably thought I was gonna save my biggest budget tip for last, but I'm gonna give it right now. So y'all, the biggest thing that you can do to make the biggest impact in your bathroom is peel and stick flooring. Y'all saw me do peel and stick flooring in my bathroom as well as my son's, and y'all saw the major difference that it made. This completely changed the look of both bathrooms by making my son's bathroom a little more masculine with the darker tile, and then making my bathroom much more lighter and giving it a modern look with the marble style tile. These are absolutely budget friendly, and I love them because it is just peel, stick, and go. Except for around the toilet, that does take a little work. All right, third time's a charm. That looks perfect, so let's hope it fits. All right, we did it. We did it. But be sure to look at my previous video that I did my bathroom floor in, where I show you how to navigate that. And the best part about peel and stick, which I love the most, is that if you change your mind down the line, you can just peel it off and then just start right over. I love that for me because I'm constantly changing out my decor. And best of all, this is renter friendly. So I did it in my bathroom for the convenience, but I did it in my son's bathroom because he can have a completely different look. But when he moves out of that apartment, it is completely renter friendly, will peel off, and most importantly, he will get his deposit back. And we all love to get our deposits back. All right, so before I give you guys the last tip, I just want to make a special announcement. As you guys know, I told you a couple of videos back that I was going to be changing some of the content of this channel and bringing you guys some other things like fashion and vlogs and behind the scenes of my creator journey. Well, unfortunately, those aren't doing so well over here because honestly, most of you all came to this channel for home decor and DIYs, and I'm going to still give that to you. But I did decide to start the new channel. So those of you that are interested in the content creator world, how to get into this business, and just to see more of my daily life, you are more than welcome to come over to that channel. So you can find me at youtube.com/Hey Anissa, or just type in @Hey Anissa in your YouTube browser and you should be able to find me there. So come on over and join me for more fun and just more behind the scenes into my life as a content creator. All right, so let's get into the very last tip. All right, and finally, my very last tip is affordable decor. Small touches like a new shower curtain, a little greenery, matching towels can all make the space feel fresh and cohesive. And you do not have to break the bank to do this. I love to find a lot of my pieces at stores like Ross and Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and of course, we know Home Goods always has the goods. And because I like to over deliver, here is just one more budget friendly tip. So Antonio and I decided to frame out our bathroom mirror. This would just give it a more custom built in look. If you can recall, you guys saw me do this to my son's bathroom where I actually use a peel and stick vinyl, which turned out really good. He said it is still holding up very well. But because we are in a home and we can do a little bit more, we decided to go ahead and do ours with wood. We just cut it on some 45s, painted it black, and then put this around our mirror and trimmed it out. Y'all, this whole project here literally took a day. This is something that you can do in a couple of hours, and it really will just make a huge impact to your bathroom. This is one of my most favorite things that we did. It is very simple, easy to do. Highly recommend adding this tip to your list as well. And there you have it, a beautifully updated bathroom on a budget. By focusing on these small, high-impact changes, you can achieve a gorgeous, fresh look without a major renovation.
Dang. That junk look completely different. That is crazy. What? That's so raw. What did you, how you did that? This is like a completely different like bathroom. It don't even look like like where we at, you know what I'm saying? It looked completely different.
Like it?
Mm-hmm. That was not sweet. That's not sweet.
So if you're planning a weekend project or just tackling one step at a time, remember every little bit counts. If you enjoyed these tips, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly DIYs. And remember, if you need help with that peel and stick flooring, then watch this video right here and I can help you get it done. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one.